In today's lesson, we are going to focus on the representation of sets. So the first one is the descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is represented in the form of statements using well-defined words without brackets. For example, let's say a set of prime numbers, B, set of first 5 composite numbers, C, set of days of the week, D, set of months of the year, E, set of first 5 even numbers. So these are the examples of descriptive form of different set. Just like here, A is a set of prime numbers, B is set of first 5 composite numbers, C is set of days of the week, D as set of months of the year, and E as set of first 5 even numbers. So these are the examples of descriptive form of sets. Now we are going to go over the tabular form of sets. In tabular form, elements are placed within curly brackets and separated by commas, just like set A, which contains January, June, and July. So these are the months of the year that start with J. So set A is the set of the months of the years that start with J. Set B as a set of vowel letters. So A, E, I, O, and U are the elements or members of set B. So this is the tabular form of set B. Set C is the tabular form of the set of past 5 odd numbers. Set D as the tabular form of the past 5 even numbers. And set E as the tabular form of the set of composite numbers. Set E contains the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. So this is the tabular form of the set of composite numbers. The third one is set builder form. In set builder form, a common rule is written in shortest possible form that describes the element of the set. For example, n is the set of natural numbers. So this is the descriptive form of the set of natural numbers. In tabular form, the set of natural numbers can be written as the unique numbers in closed and curly brackets. So this is the set of natural numbers. But how to represent the set of natural numbers and set builder form? So we will use a general rules for representation of natural numbers and set builder form. For example, set n as the set of all elements of x such that x belongs to n. Here the variable x represents all the elements of the set, and the vertical line shows the phrase such that n x belongs to n shows the condition for the elements of the set. So this is the set builder form of the natural numbers. Or simply we can write it as the set n as the set of all x such that x is a natural number. So this is the set builder form of the natural numbers. Now we are going to go over another example, the set of integers greater than -2. So we can write it as y is a set of x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -2. So this is a set of integers greater than -2. We can write it as y is a set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -2. Or simply we can say that y is a set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -2. So this is the set builder form of the set of integers greater than -2. Now there are some more examples that will help you to clarify your concept about the set builder form. So this is a set of even numbers starting from 4 to 10. So we can write it as A is a set of all x such that x is an even number and x start from 4 up to 10. Or simply we can write it as A is a set of all x such that x belongs to even numbers and x start from positive 4 to 10. Now here is another example of real number less than 8. So B is a set of all x such that x is less than 8 and x is a real number, or simply we can say that B is a set of all x such that x is less than 8 and x belongs to real number. Now in this example, C is a set of all x such that x is a natural number and x starts from 0 up to 10. So we can write it as C is a set of all x such that x belongs to n and x starts from 0 and is up to 10. So this is the representation of set builder form of different sets. So dear viewer, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to math. Thank you for watching.